So I made an AI that makes scripts identical to the ones made by the pure AI YouTube channel, Dr. Alex Wibberley. I did all of it on stream over the last couple of weeks, so you can look back and see how the sausage is made. By the end of this video, you should know without a doubt that the channel is 100% AI, and you'll be able to make scripts just like those from the comfort of your own couch. Okay, so you probably have used ChatGPT to answer a question, right? You've asked it a question and it has given you an answer. In the same way, you can actually ask it to generate a medical script and it will generate it for you for a YouTube channel. You can actually just ask ChatGPT to make a script, but ChatGPT is told to follow specific instructions, so you might not be able to get exactly what you want. Well, the makers of ChatGPT and other makers have made the foundation of ChatGPT, which is a lot more flexible, very easy to access for people like you and me. And so you can tell those flexible foundation AI models to do more specific things. So you can tell the AI model to copy a reference style. You can tell it to copy your style, just copy paste it into the prompt or message. You can tell it to copy anybody famous. You could try it and maybe think, oh, this is not really at all what I was expecting. The initial results might not be good, but if you actually fine tune, it's called fine tuning the prompt or message, you can get it very precise to what you want it. So I actually did this over streams 1 and 3. I'll add a link in the description if you want to watch them later. But before you do that, given some scripts, you want to present them in a nice way. The AI YouTube channel basically makes an avatar and just has that avatar read those scripts that are also made by AI and not reviewed. I did not want to do it that way because it feels deceiving. So what I use is, you might have heard of vibe coding. So in vibe coding, you can actually have AI do the work of a coder, I would say, and make and deploy a website for you. So that's exactly what I did. I took those scripts and I deployed them on a website, also in a way that you can compare them to the scripts that are made by the reference channel, the AI channel, the original scripts, and ones that were made by our AI. So I also did that over streams 2 and 4. You can play it back. I'll also add a link in the description. So in the last stream, stream 5, I made a way that, even if you don't have a coding background or if you don't want to tell these AI agents what to code, you can make these from the comfort of your couch. You can just go to healthpodscripts.com and submit a title. And if it looks good, I'll approve it and it'll just be there on the website. So this gets it to a place where it's comparable to the Dr. Alex Wibberley channel, the AI channel, but I plan to make it much better. Research is very important to me, so I want to add a way that you can actually reference the research in text. And so you can go look at the links yourself and validate that the experiments were worth believing. I'll probably also add a layer on top so that those scripts can be read in different, nice voices. By the way, if you're on the first 45 to sign up to use this software within a week of me releasing this video, then you get the first 10 scripts for free. So that's a value of about $10 with no credit card required. And I'm just doing this because I want to see this get used. It's an early thing and I want to be able to get some feedback. So I'll leave a link in the description. If you have any more ideas, please leave a comment.